Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your girl DSoar back in another YouTube video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some hair that I got from DSoar Hair. So I'm just going to hop straight into the video. So let's go. I'm looking at my paper right here to read the information off. I got this hair from DSoar Hair, which is DSoar, DSoar Hair. And the shipping was really fast. It took 3 days. I ordered the hair. Yeah, it took 3 days. I ordered the hair on Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days, actually, because we don't deliver. The mail don't deliver on Sunday, so it had to come Monday, so 4 days. So that's that. And then I got the inches, I believe 18, 20, and 22. And it's Brazilian hair, and it's loose wave. So, yeah. Let me see the price on it. The original price was $121.01, but once you first buy hair from their company, you get a $5 off coupon, and it came out to $116.01. So that really came in handy. So let's open this hair. It has a net around it, and this is 20 inches. So yeah. How in the hell do they got this on here? I'm sorry, y'all. They just got this on here. It's so confusing. But this is the 20 inch. It's very bouncy. Actually, this doesn't even smell. It smells like powder. So it doesn't have a smell to it. And these are the ends. So yeah, that's that. And that's the hair. Run my fingers through it. Oh, wow. It's very thick. For this to be a 20 inch, it's really thick, y'all. For this to be a 20 inch. And a 20 inch would be like right here on me, stretched out. So that's really full 20 inch, y'all. 20 inches. This one is a 20 inches real. I could have sworn, y'all, that I got 18, 20, and a 22. Could have sworn. But apparently, I didn't. I got all 20 inches. Apparently. What the hell is going on? Oh, y'all, I don't know how to rip off this damn net, and that's making the video longer. But again, bouncy. Something on that one. Again, smells like powder. Hold on. It's kind of crunchy right there. Where am I tripping? It's kind of crunchy. The ends on this one is good as well. Okay. Just gonna open all of them. Smell like powder again. And this is a 20 inch as well. Just unravel it anyway. Oh, this hair is really thick, y'all, by the way. For this to be 20. Some thick old hair. So this is two 20 inches together. I think I'm gonna wash one and come back and show you how it look with one washed. and then show you the rest. But this really smells like powder. Like, for real. Smells like powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna go wash one bundle and come back to show you how the bundle when you wash it. I'm kind of upset because it went from that nice curl pattern to an actual loose wave. So yeah, it is all the hair together. It's really thick and full. For shedding, I didn't get any shedding yet. So yeah, that's a plus. But I just gotta wait till I install it to see how this hair really operates. And yeah, it's soft, it's full, and I can't wait to install it. So that's pretty much it about DSoar hair. The ends on this hair though is really driving me crazy because they're so thick and nice and it's not dry or anything. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about this hair right now. I will be doing a review on this hair, an update when I have it installed to let you know how it held up and stuff like that.